As you all saw from the title, today's video is gonna be fixing my one and only MacBook Pro. So I live in Netherlands and we do have one official store. Like the real Apple store. I'm not gonna go there directly, but I'm just gonna go to the official authorized repair, right? Let's go and have a look. We are here at AMAC. They have like a 16E, which is like 12 mini versions, I believe. Yeah, but they're super cool though.
So is it just this key that doesn't work?
Yeah, and it automatically, that's after some time, after I work, this key just keep pressing, and this is the only key which is not working.
And it's hardware related, and we would need to take the computer in.
Yeah.
However, we need to send the computer in.
Yeah.
It'll take 1 to 2 weeks. 920 euros.
How much?
920 because they replaced.
920.
Yeah, because they have to replace the whole top case, so including the
900.
trackpad and the touch bar.
All right. Okay, but do you guys buy this MacBook Pro?
How do you mean?
Like in this condition?
For trade-in?
Yes.
Yes, but because one of the keys is not working, you won't get as much as if it would.
All right, may I know how much I get it? 1,000 euros to change a keyboard. It's a lot. I would just literally buy a new MacBook Pro for literally like 2K. So why should I fucking spend $1,000?
Okay, let's go.
Crazy windy today. I'm suspecting if I can even fly my drone. I literally have to either stop flying my drone because there is an airport nearby, or yeah. And also I see that this city has more different culture, like the Dutch previously colonized place. By the way, I do want to buy some shoes, and yeah, they have a really nice outlets here. Every time I try to film, I forget one important thing. It's like I forget to smile. Yeah, I think over the time I'll just very free. I just came across like I want to get a piercing on my ears. Why not just get it done right now? That is massive. Really enjoyed filming today. Weather was good, no seagulls. Because I can drive boats, but I'm not sure what's the licensing thing in Netherlands. Like, I took my boat license like 3 years ago, and I'm pretty much not sure if it's valid here. I gotta look into it. I see this lady pretty much giving me the hard eye, you know? I don't know what she thinks about me now. Fuck that. I gotta check it. I chugged a random drink, not knowing that I had was in some random hands. Come on, bro. You know what? I'm Indian. I have a strong immune. Who gives a fuck?
Tot het slecht gaat. Kijk, we zijn niet perfect, maar we zijn wel een match. Maar we blijven bij mij. Stop er. Op de 36 taal, die leidt die roulette.
As you know, it's a wrap. Give it a follow, like, and share, and leave a comment if you really like a video, just to push the algorithm. That's it for today. See you on the next one.